Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on a Doogee S98. So in order to do this, let's open a Google Play Store. From here begin a search for an app and simply enter Firefox. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is done, we'll be able to open this app. From here, start customizing it so you can change the theme, toolbar placement, always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up right here. Lastly, read the privacy notice and start browsing. From here, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.